This is Audible.
Podium Audio presents Legions, Book 5 of Quest Academy. Written by Brian J. Nordon. Performed by Daniel Wisniewski and Rebecca Woods. Chapter 1. Arrival. Sal leaned against one of the walls on the credit floor. He was waiting for Fabi to join him before they dropped their luggage off at the new dorms. She was talking with the valet about student parking, and Sal was surprised to find out that saviors were guaranteed a parking space as one of the many perks that came with the title. Vanessa wasn't at any of the desks, nor was Greg. It was an entirely different roster of staff, which made Sal reconsider his plan of putting in an order of silver. He had a good chunk of Q-cred in his account balance, so he wanted to stock up on precious materials to build out the rest of his battle gear. The Mythic Blight Jackal was phenomenal in pretty much every category, but the fact that he needed to keep its core a secret was definitely an issue. He had spent the remainder of his break working on gear for his parents and friends, which made him feel good, but he still needed to take care of himself. Sal crossed his arms as he thought about the Arkwright. It was back in the Argento auction house, and despite his hopes, there was no way for him to utilize it with Arsenal while he was at Quest Academy. Yes, he could send it blueprints and have it work on crafting, but there was no method for him to send the completed goods to his subspace. That realization had thankfully arrived before he left home, and he was able to stock up Arsenal with a whole range of materials that the Arkwright had synthesized and refined. He'd have plenty of materials to work with, but he was missing silver.
Oh, sorry for the wait.
Fabi arrived with an awkward laugh.
I have to go through the same song and dance every time I park here. They take one look at the car and assume I'm lying about being in the savior class.
She glanced around the credit floor as she joined him.
Kinda expected you to be neck-deep in negotiations when I came back.
Sal shook his head. Nah, the staff I usually deal with aren't here. I'll request a price list from Vanessa later, but all I'm really missing for the next build is silver. Fabi nodded in understanding.
Well, since you are waiting for me so patiently, what do you say about getting some coffees from Alex? My treat.
Sal perked up, grinning. You might need to do the ordering because I'm pretty sure he won't sell me anything. We have a deal that I haven't exactly delivered on. With a wave of her hand, Fabi dismissed the thought.
Well, you've got a couple days before the semester starts up for real. You could always do it now. No matter how complex the build is, I'm sure it'll only take you a few hours.
The concept I came up with for Alex was actually the inspiration behind the Arkwright, which took more than a few hours. Sal chuckled awkwardly. I don't think this thing needs to be nearly as ambitious, but it could end up spiraling in that direction. Fabi didn't even falter as she looked at him seriously.
Okay, talk to me while we head to the workshop. What exactly was the deal?
She tapped a button on the wall to call the elevator to the credit floor. Her gaze was on Sal the entire time. Sal hesitated slightly. Just as a small disclaimer, I really overcomplicated this for no reason. He smiled before continuing. I was trying to create a solution for Gallant. He was on my team for the tower trial and the excursion, and he wasn't able to control his power. I was trying to find a method to increase his innate mastery, and it turned out that Alex was able to make an elixir for it.
He tried to fleece you for all your Q-cred?
Fabi guessed dryly. Sal nodded. Yeah. And a part of me wondered if I could use Alex's ability and just automate the creation of elixirs. A combination of alchemize, refine, and growth. I already have access to the weaves for Alex and Anderson Royce, and I can get refine from the simulation orb. Fabi frowned as the elevator doors opened. Before stepping through, she looked at Sal in confusion.
Alchemize and refine are self-explanatory, but how does growth factor into the build?
I was going to make a sort of enclosure where I could artificially grow the ingredients that Alex uses. Use essence to fuel growth, which would start producing a steady supply that I could either use or resell. Sal walked through the doors and turned around to face Fabi, who eventually joined him.
Interesting.
Fabi responded with a nod of understanding.
What was the blocker in your build?
Time, mostly, Sal admitted as the transparent doors closed in front of him. There were a few dozen commission requests that came in before the excursion and the tower that I never got